Hey guys, today my recipe is mango sticky rice. It's dessert from Thailand, the more famous dessert. Look at this. Guys, all ingredient and process of my recipes is in the description. Now the sauce for my mango sticky rice, coconut milk and sugar. And we cook together. For this recipe I use a special rice, glutinous rice. Dry, and I put in bamboo basket for steam. Traditional way in Thailand for this rice, because this rice is not good to cook, just steam. I put water in my rice cooker, and now I will put my basket on top and one plate to cover, and I will steam now for 10 to 15 minutes. My rice is cooked. Now I will mix with my coconut milk. My rice is absorbing the liquid. I will put again. And now we'll rest 45 minutes. I will boil this sauce and I will put some cornstarch to be more thick. For the mango sticky rice, I use a beautiful mango. This is a variety Thai. For the mango sticky rice, we put on top some mungo beans or green soya beans. This is dry. We will soak with boiling water during 2 hours, and after we will fry. Now my mungo beans soak already for 2 hours in with the boiled water. Now I will dry. And we will fry. Let's go now to plate this beautiful dessert. My rice already good, sticking. plate. After the mango. Here we go. Now the sauce. I add a little bit salt to balance with the sugar. Put on top of the mango. Now my rince and the beautiful orchidea and some flower. And this is my personal touch, a little bit of skin of lime on top.